We've all been there, you turn your back for a second and your delicate sauce is scorched. In entry-level cookware, the culprit isn't your stove, it's a lack of thermal mass. At Wade Media Labs, we audited 12 leading entry-level sets to find the thermal recovery winner. We wanted to see which pan could handle a cold protein without a catastrophic temperature crash. We used high-resolution infrared sensors to map the recovery curve. We introduced a standardized cold liquid to each pan at 350 degrees and measured how long it took to regain thermal equilibrium. Most budget pans suffered from a thermal crash. Because their aluminum cores are too thin, the temperature drops instantly, leading to erratic heat spikes as the pan tries to recover. This is where your sauce dies. Consistency requires density. We measured the base thickness of every contender. The failed sets utilized thin, impact-bonded discs that create localized hot spots, while the winner featured edge-to-edge cladding. Out of 12 sets, only one emerged as a sauce-safe masterpiece. It provided 92% thermal uniformity, outperforming luxury sets that cost triple the price. Don't pay for a brand name, pay for the metallurgical core. In the workshop of the kitchen, thermal stability is the only safety net that matters. See the full recovery logs, the thickness charts, and our entry-level champion at cookwarescout.com. Look for the thermal recovery audit.